In the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevators.
Everyone, the fire alarms are going off. So yeah, it's like doing it a lot. I can't believe this is happening, especially on the last day of school. Here's everyone. Luckily we got out. Oh, my mom has been off.
Why are you recording?
Because I have my own YouTube channel. Not a lot, but at least it's just a little head start. By the way, guys, I go to drama class, so that way I can be an actor in my future years.
Shut up.